This is the end of my 23-hour flight heading to South Africa. Probably the only country I go to with prejudice. It's the only country in which my stuff got stolen and I did not even enter it. 4 months ago, I was connecting in South Africa on my way to Madagascar when someone stole my 2 hard drives from the baggage claim. I lost 100 days worth of memories and I'll never get these back. And because of that, it's only natural for me to arrive here with reservation. Reservation about this country's safety and racist history. But the only way to change that perception is to come visit.
I know you.
Yeah?
What's up, man?
Dude, what's up, man? How you doing?
Good, man. You came down.
Yeah, I just arrived today.
Dude, that's
sick.
Not to change your mind, but to change mine.
Welcome to Cape Town.
To put a face to this place and go from having one bad experience to many good ones. Because the best way to fight prejudice is to confront it. Welcome to Cape Town.
That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.
YouTube, if you like this video, then I think you're gonna love NAS Academy. It's a new online school we just started to give you a voice. Yes, making videos has given me a voice, and with this voice, you can reach millions of people on the internet, tell them stories that you care about, and actually change their opinion. This skill of making videos changed my life, and I think it can change yours.